Nice spot. Mud bogging.
It's called
Gridiron, man.
firecracker roulette.
He's the only one that'll do it because it's.
Bam! Ooh, shiny. Die! Ow!
I stopped it.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, so there.
No, set it underneath it. Set it underneath it in the rail spot. I would have lit it first. Oh crap! Yay! Bro. It's out. He said it's out.
You're out too.
Grenade!
Come here, Dad.
I'm kidding, but
Come here, Dad. We need you.
What do you need me for?
we're out.
First thing, I'm wet.
Oh my.
Where am I? I ain't got it with me.
I don't have one.
You're gonna use up my lighter. Cheap lighting and stupid sticks.
I don't have another stick. Is there any more sticks?
Yeah.
Where? What was that?
What's it?
Oh! Here we
That
go.
was cool.
Two M80s at the same time. 280, two M1000s in the barrel.
This is Sparta!
Jerk.
You're cool. Wait, don't tip it out. Don't tip it out. I'm not tipping it out. Put one in.
Alright, there you go. Here, Rose. Here, you wanna hold that?
Burn me.
Why are you guys so scared of it?
He did. He burned me.
I mean, seriously? That's it.
About 3-second lag.
No, it didn't. I lit mine first. Watch the barrel jump when we throw them in there.
They got it. It lasted more probably.
Watch the barrel jump.
Don't kick it. Make it here. Where's the rest of them sticks?
Dude, they're laying here. There's one. Hey, watch out.
That one. Three.
You don't like that. M1000s are
Weak.
weak. Oh, dude! Dude!
I have bad experiences.
What's messed up, bro?
He has bad experiences with taking